lava lamp. So first I need more water or oil, a funnel, a glass, some food coloring, and spoon and baking soda. Now I'm gonna pour the water in. I have filled the water and it's quarter full. Next I'm gonna get the food coloring. You can make your own colors. I'm gonna pour the sunflower oil in. 1 to 3/4 full. The water is heavier than oil. The oil floats on top of the water. I'm going to put the spoonful of baking soda in. Now the baking soda is reacting with the water. Release the air bubbles. So the air bubble is lighter, so it's gonna come up. Ooh. The water and baking soda keeps on reacting. So the air bubbles are coming up. I'll meet you in another exciting science